Hello everyone, this is Nicholas. Today is March 24th, 2020. So today I just received my brand new iPad Pro from UPS. Apple announced this iPad Pro last Wednesday, and because of this coronavirus, COVID-19, Apple shut down all its stores globally except those in China. And because YouTube is not available in China, and if you are watching this YouTube and you wanna buy a iPad Pro 2020 version, the only way you can do it is to order it online and have it delivered to you. The official releasing date is supposed to be tomorrow, but somehow I received it one day earlier. So I can't wait to do an open box video and share it with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. Let me just open this package. Let me fold that away. So this is a very familiar Apple minimalist style packaging. So this is the front, this is the back, the side, and this one is the 12.9-inch version, which is the larger version. The smaller version is the 11-inch version, and this is the 4th generation of the iPad Pro. And this is the Wi-Fi version, and they also have the Wi-Fi plus cellular version, but this is just the Wi-Fi version. This one I bought is the 256 gigabytes version. And when we are talking about the 12.9 inches, we are talking about the display measured diagonally. So let me go ahead and open it. So inside it, we have the 18 watt power adapter, and then this is USB Type-C, by the way. And we also have the USB Type-C charging cable. Both sides are USB Type-C. So one go into your iPad, the other go into this charger. And then we also have the instruction over here. So let me just put all this aside so that we can just focus on the iPad. So let me unwrap it for you. So this is the front, this is the back, the side, and let me see whether it has power. Let me just turn it on. So now I'm turning it on. So let me turn it this way. As I said, when we are talking about the 12.9 inches, we're talking about this direction. So the exact size of this one, the length of it is about 11 inches, and then the width of it is about 8.46 inches, and then the depth of it is less than a quarter inch, it's 0.23 inches, and then it's only about 1.41 pounds, so you can still hold it pretty comfortably with just one hand. And then let's talk about all the different components of it. So in the front over here, obviously we have the display. Apple called this one the liquid Retina display. And then at the top of the iPad, we have the camera, front camera, as well as a microphone. And then at the top over here, we have 2 more microphones and 2 speakers, and then with a power button on the top. And then at the side, we have the volume up, volume down button, and then as well as the magnetic connector. And then at the bottom, we have the USB connector, USB Type-C connector, I should clarify, and then 2 more speakers. That means this is a 4-speaker iPad Pro. And then at the side, this way, we have another microphone over here. And then at the back, we have this, Apple call it a 5-element lens. So the major difference between this iPad Pro compared to the previous generation is this has 2 cameras versus 1. So we have the 12 megapixel wide lens camera and also the 10 megapixel ultra wide lens camera. So there you have it. So this is the open box video. So later on I will do a deep dive video into the specification of this iPad Pro. So thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. I'll do more this kind of videos in the future. Thank you very much. Stay safe, by the way. Hello guys, this is Nicholas again. After I did the unboxing video of this brand new iPad Pro 2020, I was getting really excited and want to do a in-depth dive video for you guys. But I found one major problem of this iPad Pro that I have no choice but to return it. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see what I was talking about. As you can see, there is a hairline running all the way from the top to the bottom throughout the entire display. And this hairline showed up in less than a minute when I was setting up this iPad Pro. And I even tried to shut down the iPad Pro, turn it back on again, reset it. No matter what I did, the hairline is still over there. It's just not going away at all. So obviously this is very disappointing and it's also very unacceptable from a quality control point of view. So I hope this is only a single case that happened to me, and I hope this is not a major problem for the rest of Apple's product. So thank you very much for watching, and I'm gonna pack this up, go to Best Buy, and hopefully they still open their doors during this coronavirus crisis. So if not, I will see whether I can return it through mail. So again, thank you very much for watching. Bye.